Here's what the hot peppers look like after we pulled them off the dehydrator, and that's the stevia. Here's the stevia. We're going to take the stevia and we're going to put it in this coffee grounder. Just like that. Alright, and we're going to put the stevia in here, in this coffee grounder. See how this works. Alright. And this thing grinds it up pretty fine. Alright.
Look at that.
And that's how you make stevia sugar substitute, or like a stevia sweetener. Alright, go ahead and pause it.
I'm ready whenever you are then.
It smells sweet.
Okay, so we did 2 trays, and that's all it turned out with 2 trays. Is that little bit. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to make a cup of coffee, and I'm going to add my stevia to see if it actually does work making the coffee sweet. So we'll switch it to K-Cup and brew options, pack. Okay, the coffee is almost done. And we're waiting on that so we can put our sweetener in our coffee. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to slowly add a little bit of stevia to my coffee. I like a lot of sugar in my coffee. So they say that stevia is like 300 times sweeter than sugar. So I usually add 3 spoonfuls of sugar. So I'm going to do about a half of a spoonful of stevia in my coffee and see how that tastes. So there it is in the coffee. We're going to stir it up and see if it dissolves. It kind of looks like it's not going to dissolve.
It's dissolving.
It is dissolving slowly. I don't know, I don't think it's dissolving. Still seeing the spoon?
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, it is stevia. It is a plant.
So it's not dissolving like sugar. You can still see it in the coffee. Okay, I put a little bit of milk in there with the stevia.
Here, yeah.
And stirred it, and still you can still see some of the stevia powder in there. And here's a taste test. Not very good. It kind of tastes like oregano in the coffee. It's sweet, but not very sweet. Not sugary sweet. More like, I don't know, it's different.
So you don't like it?
Not really. I don't know if I'll do that again. Okay, the stevia sweetener in the coffee is not good. So we're going to try something different. We're going to take our stevia that's in our bowl and we're going to put it in a pot and boil it and try to make some kind of sugar sweetener or something out of that. Okay, now we got the hot peppers right here. And we're going to put them in the trimmer or the grinder. And we're going to grind them up. Now we're going to take the hot peppers and we're going to put them in our grinder here. Grind them up. I'm not doing them as fine like a powder, but this stuff is strong. If you breathe it in, it will burn your nose. And that's going to be our hot pepper shaker. And that's what we're left with after it's all said and done. We got the hot peppers and the stevia. Next I'm going to be doing a beef jerky. I'm using this liquid smoke and some Worcestershire, or not Worcestershire, but yeah, Worcestershire sauce. And that'll be coming up next. See you later.